Step 1. Choose a suitable installation location. Power on the device. Use the U-Link app to scan the device QR code and follow the on-screen instructions to complete pairing. The device emits radio waves into the detection area and detects reflected signals. So moving objects such as fans, air conditioners, washing machines, curtains, or pipes, as well as metal surfaces like mirrors, may affect the signal and cause false detection. Such objects are referred to as interference sources. When selecting the installation location, try to avoid interference sources as much as possible. Step 2. Block interference zones. Disable zones with interference sources. Step 3. Mount the device. Device support magnetic, adhesive, and screw mounting. Secure the power cable after installation. Keep multiple sensors apart. Avoid facing them toward each other. Step 4. Eliminate interference in unblocked zones. Leave the area and keep the appliance operating. Enable detection calibration. The sensor automatically learns and excludes interference. Notes: pets and robot vacuums cannot be blocked or excluded. Reconfigure settings if the sensor or interference source position changes. Please follow the instructions on the device setting page in U-Link app. BLE setup for third-party platform users. For third-party platform users, advanced settings can be configured via Bluetooth connection in the U-Link app. The configuration is stored locally on the device and can be modified at any time through BLE setup.